Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In this video, we'll learn how to search systematic reviews and meta-analysis using PubMed database. So over here, we have two options to search systematic reviews and meta-analysis. First, by condition type, that is diabetes, hypertension, angina, heart failure, or cancer, or by using drug name also, we can search systematic review and meta-analysis. So let us type first the condition that is diabetes and search the systematic reviews and meta-analysis. Let's assume if we want to know how many systematic reviews and meta-analysis are available in diabetes. So we just need to type the condition name diabetes over here. We need to click then search. So we'll get certain options over here, certain results over here. So on left hand side, we'll find some filter of systematic review and meta-analysis. So we just need to click on systematic review filter. Now here we can see more than 13,000 systematic reviews are available in diabetes. So this first article is of systematic review. Second article again systematic review. We can see over here in title itself systematic review is written. In this we can see meta-analysis is there. So sometimes systematic review is conducted along with meta-analysis. So that's why meta-analysis is also reflected. This article is also of systematic review. So now we can see over here more than 13,000 systematic reviews are available of diabetes. So let's see how many meta-analysis are there in diabetes. So we need to clear the filter of systematic review and apply the filter of meta-analysis. So now we can see more than 11,000 meta-analysis are available. First article you can see this is systematic review, but once you open this article, you will get the meta-analysis also in full article. This is meta-analysis second article. In title itself, it is reflected. This is both systematic reviews and meta-analysis third article. This is also both systematic reviews and meta-analysis. So by this way, we can search both systematic review and meta-analysis. So let's click on both the option and see how many systematic reviews and meta-analysis both available. So more than 19,000 results are being reflected. So this contains both combination of systematic review and meta-analysis. Look at this. So by this way, we can search systematic reviews and meta-analysis in any condition. Let's say we have certain drugs and we want to know how many systematic reviews and meta-analysis are there in PubMed for that drug. So in that case, we need to type the name of drug over here and search. So let's assume we want to know how many systematic reviews and meta-analysis are available of metformin in PubMed. So we need to type this drug name. Now we can see more than 28,000 results are available over here, but we need specific systematic review and meta-analysis. So we'll go the left side option, filter option, that is of systematic review. Let's click on that. Now we can see 769 results are available. So these are both containing systematic review and meta-analysis. Third article, meta-analysis and systematic review. Fourth article is also systematic review. So by this way, we can search systematic review. And now we'll search meta-analysis. Let's see how many meta-analysis are there. So 749 meta-analysis are there. This is both systematic review, meta-analysis. This is from title, it is not known whether it is a systematic review or meta-analysis, but once we open the full text article, we'll find exactly what is there. This is systematic review and meta-analysis. This is network meta-analysis. So by this way, we can search meta-analysis. And if we want to know both the thing, systematic review and meta-analysis, we need to select both the filter. Over here, I have selected both the filter. Now we can see more than 1,000 results are available. So these are both systematic review and meta-analysis. This is systematic review and meta-analysis. This is network meta-analysis. This is systematic review and meta-analysis. This is also systematic review and meta-analysis. So now another option we have, if we want to search the systematic review and meta-analysis by both condition, that is diabetes, and by drug name. So we have to type both the things together, and in between that we have to type AND in capital letter AND. So now we'll search and see the result. So first of all, by combination of both these terms, diabetes and metformin, there are more than 19,000 results. And now from this 19,000 research articles, we want to know only systematic review. So we need to click on this filter. So 534 results are there. So these all are systematic review. This is systematic review and meta-analysis. Sometimes systematic review is conducted along with meta-analysis. So both of these texts are reflecting in title option. This is purely systematic review, 5th number article. So let us search now meta-analysis. So 552 meta-analysis are available with both of these search term combination. So this is first article, systematic review, meta-analysis. This is also meta-analysis. Fourth one, systematic review and meta-analysis. So by this way, we can search both systematic review and meta-analysis. Let us click on both the terms now. Now we can see 772 results are available with both meta-analysis and systematic review search term. So now we can easily find out the relevant article, what we need in our research work by using these filters. So we have over here, we have explored 3 options by typing the disease name only, by typing the drug name only, and by typing the combination of both disease and drug name only. And we now very well know how to search systematic review and meta-analysis through this video. So hope you like this video and this video is informative. So please like the video and subscribe the channel. Also leave your queries and suggestion in comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye. Thank you.